This is called abdominal marching or 90-90 marching. I've on my neutral spine. Once I'm in my neutral position, I'm going to take an inhale, bring one leg up to a right angle, and then exhale, place it back down, keeping my pelvis still. I'm alternating sides, inhaling and exhaling. The further my legs are from my chest, the more challenging this becomes. So I'm not trying to draw my knee in. I'm trying to keep my knee hovering over my hip. And the point of this exercise is lumbopelvic stability or core control. So trying to keep my back and pelvis still by engaging my lower abs.